Want to create awesome YouTube thumbnails in minutes, without Photoshop and totally free? Let's dive into the best AI tool that'll do it for you. Today, I'll show you how to create professional thumbnails fast, using AI. Perfect for beginners or busy creators. The tool we're using is Thumbnail.ai, or Magic Design, or Canva YouTube Thumbnail, or we use ChatGPT Prompt. It's free, super easy, and you don't need any design experience. Once you're happy, just download it, ready to upload straight to your YouTube video. Pro tip, use contrast, like dark background plus bright text, to make your thumbnails stand out even more on mobile devices. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks, and comment below if you want a full list of the best free AI tools for YouTubers.